National Weather Service in Raleigh has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Granville County, northwestern Wake County, Durham County, until 6:15 p.m. At 5:37 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Durham, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Raleigh, Durham, Creedmoor, Wake Forest, Butner, RDU International, Falls Lake State Rec Area, Gorman, Parkwood, and Research Triangle. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6:15 p.m. for the following counties in North Carolina: Durham, Granville, and Wake. A severe thunderstorm